Daily comfort at home is shaped by many small details, and windows play a much bigger role than most homeowners realize. Old or poorly installed windows can allow heat, humidity, and noise to disrupt your living space. Professional window installation helps eliminate these issues and creates a more comfortable environment throughout the home. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, proper window installation is one of the most effective ways to improve everyday comfort while supporting long-term home performance. Reducing heat intrusion for cooler interior homes in Pompano Beach are exposed to strong sunlight and warm temperatures for much of the year. Older windows or improperly installed units often allow excess heat to enter, making rooms feel uncomfortable even when cooling systems are running. New window installation helps block unwanted heat by ensuring tight seals and proper alignment. This keeps indoor spaces cooler and more consistent, improving comfort from morning through evening. Controlling humidity inside the home. Humidity can make indoor spaces feel sticky and uncomfortable. When windows are not properly installed, moisture can seep in through gaps and poorly sealed frames. Professional window installation creates a secure barrier that helps regulate indoor humidity. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this means interiors feel fresher and more comfortable, even on humid days. Eliminating drafts and air leaks. Drafts are a common issue with aging or poorly installed windows. Even small gaps can allow outside air to flow into the home, creating uneven temperatures and discomfort. Proper window installation seals these gaps, eliminating drafts and helping maintain a stable indoor environment. In Pompano Beach homes, this results in smoother airflow and more comfortable living areas. Improving natural light without added heat. New windows allow homeowners to enjoy natural light without the downside of excessive heat gain. Professional installation ensures the glass performs as intended, letting in daylight while controlling solar impact. In Pompano Beach homes, this creates bright, inviting spaces that feel comfortable throughout the day. Reducing outdoor noise for quieter living spaces. Noise from traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activity can affect daily comfort. Older windows or loose installations allow sound to travel more easily into the home. Properly installed windows fit securely within the frame, reducing noise intrusion. For Pompano Beach residents, quieter interiors make it easier to relax, work, and sleep comfortably. Supporting energy efficiency and comfort together. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about efficiency. When windows are installed correctly, heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain comfortable conditions. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this means consistent indoor comfort without constant thermostat adjustments. Enhancing everyday usability. New window installation improves how windows operate on a daily basis. Smooth opening and closing, reliable locking, and proper alignment make windows easier and safer to use. In Pompano Beach homes, this adds convenience to daily routines and increases overall satisfaction with the living space. Improving indoor air quality through better sealing. Proper window installation helps block dust, pollen, and outdoor pollutants from entering the home through gaps or cracks. For Pompano Beach households, this supports cleaner indoor air and a healthier environment for everyday living. Long-term comfort through professional installation. Even high-quality windows can underperform if they're not installed correctly. Professional installers ensure proper sealing, insulation, and fit. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this attention to detail ensures comfort improvements last for years, not just months. A comfortable home starts with proper window installation. Window installation is more than a home upgrade, it's a comfort investment. By reducing heat and humidity, eliminating drafts, lowering noise, and improving airflow, professionally installed windows transform how a home feels day to day. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, proper window installation delivers noticeable comfort, improved livability, and peace of mind throughout the year.